So this is a farm road outside of Park City, Utah. Mormon Flats Road, I believe, or it goes to the Mormon Flats campground or day use area. And if it was springtime, it'd go all the way on through to Morgan, Utah. But this is only about 3, maybe 4 miles long. Goes just to the outside of, I think, where Summit County ends, maybe another 100 feet further for access to a residential development up in the boonies. But as you can see, the banks on the left and the right of the road are 3 to 4 feet high. And there's no way to get past those on either side. There was no opening anywheres. And because of the weather that we've had lately, those banks are like concrete. And you'll see some bigger boulders on the side. They're like rocks. I'm able to walk up on it, and it really feels like concrete. So basically it's just snow-covered, snow-packed, and actually very slick, at least walking on it. The FJ had no problem getting traction anywhere along here. But it's still pretty. Nobody out there. The road really goes to no place. Gotta fly the Jolly Rancher flag, because we're all pirates at heart, right? Okay, see that boulder on the side right there? I swear if you hit that, it'd be like hitting a solid block of concrete. You just had to be careful not to play too hard. See, there's not one place to turn off of the road because of the snowbanks. And there's a good 3.5, 4 feet, without any of my Texas exaggeration, of the snowbanks, the snowpack. So it's going to be nice and muddy come springtime. So that's it for my ride. Hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications, all that stuff. We'll see you. I'm out of here.